Hi, I am K. Sridhar, studied in Ashankara Institute of Technology. I am explaining about topic is network security and cryptography. Computer security, generic name of the collection of tools designed to protect data and the throughout hackers. Network security. Network security means measures the protected data during their transmissions. Internal security, this means measure to protect data during their transmission over a collection of interconnected networks. Next, aim of courses. Our focus is a internet security consisting of measure to deter, prevent, detect and correct security violations that involves the transmissions of information. Next one is services, mechanisms, attacks. Need systematic way to defining requirements. Consider the three aspects of information security: security attack, security mechanism, security service. Consider in reverse order. Security service in something that enhance the security of the data processing systems and information transformed of a organization, intended to counter security attacks. Make uses of one or more security mechanism is provided the services. Replicated functions normally associated with physical documents. Example have signatures, dates, need protection from disclosures, temperatures and distributions and others. Next one is security mechanisms. The mechanism is designed to detect, prevent or recovery from the attacks, security attacks. No signal mechanisms that will support all function requires. However, one particular element underlying many of the security mechanisms is uses cryptographic technique use. Hence, our focus on these areas. Next one, security attack. Any action that compromises the security of information owned by an organization. Information security is about how to prevent attacks or failing that. To detect attacks on information-based systems have a wide range of attacks. Can focus of generic type of attacks. Note: often threat and attack mean someone. Next one, OSI security architecture. ITU TX 800 security architecture for OSI, defined as a systematic way of defining and providing security requirements. For us, it provides a useful, yet abstract overview of concept we will study. Next one, security services. X800 defines it as services provided by a protocol layer of communicating open systems which ensure adaptive security of systems of data transfer. RFC 2828 defines as the processing communication services provided by a system to give a specific kind of protection to a system resources. Defines as a 5 major categories. Next one, services. Security services X800. Authentication. Assurance that the communication entity is one claimed. Access control. Prevention of the unauthorized users of the resources. Data confidentiality. Protection of data from the unauthorized disclosures. Data integrity. Assurance that data received is as sent by an authorized entity. Non-repudiation. Protection against denial by one of the parties of the communications. Next one, security mechanisms. Specific security mechanism. Inference, digital signatures, access controls, data integrity, authentication, exchange, traffic padding, routing control, notarization. Revelation security mechanism. Trusted functionality, security label, event detection, security audit trails, security recovery. Next one, classify security attacks as positive attacks, active attacks. Positive attacks encourage eavesdropping or monitoring of transmissions to obtain message contents or monitor traffic flows. Active attacks, modification of the data stream to masquers of one entity as some other, replay previous messages, modify messages in transmit, denial of services. Next one, model for the network security. To see the diagram, easy to understand. Next one, model for network security. Using this model requires us to design a suitable algorithm for a security transmission, generate the secret information used by an algorithm, develop methods to distribute and share the secret information, specify a protocol, enable to principal to use the transmissions and select secret information for the security services. Model for network access security. To see the diagram, next one was security. Using the model requires us to select appropriate gatekeepers function to identify users, implement security control to ensure only authorized users access, design to information to the resources. Trusted computer systems can be used to implement this model. Next one, summary. Have you considered computer, network, internet security definitions, security services, mechanisms, attacks, X800 standards, model of the networks. Thank you for given opportunity.